sweeties, it's tip of the week time. Have you noticed the headband craze now? Well, I have a tip for you on how to make your own. All you'll need is an existing headband that you already have and some scarves that you already have. And it's super simple. What you're gonna do is tie your scarf, make a knot on your headband. See? Kind of fluff it up, make it cute. And then you want to cover the headband part. If your scarf is longer, you can actually do it double. And all you're going to do is, first I have to pick up my hair. Tie it. And there you go. And you can do multiples. So I like to collect vintage scarves. So I have a bunch. And now I can make headbands with all my scarves that I have to change out whenever I have a different look.